Hello and welcome everybody. TBLT stock on 28 November. So let's see that the price prediction that would happen for TBLT if it's not going to have such different things. So according to what we want for this technical analysis and the price predictions that we appreciate here, this is going to be referring for us that is going to be the part where the TBLT is going to be stand out for these parties. So I think these parties is going to be very serious. So this depends on the spikes on TBLT. If we went for 1 week, the spikes that we want to see is not going to be such accurate, even if we increase the period for 1 week to 1 month. So 1 week, 1 day, and the periods that updates that below it. For example, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, okay, are going to be accurate. That's what we want to see on TBLT as a trader on this price. Hope you benefit from what we have explained according to the TBLT that happens on this video, and good luck on another episode on this price prediction.